Yo, what's going on? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night. Today, I have something a little different for you guys. I got a few messages asking what I'm doing in my videos or how to actually paint the shoes. Today, I decided I'll give you guys a tutorial. I'll be showing you guys how to make this pair right here. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but yeah, without further ado, kick back, relax, and let's get straight into it. I also want to give a real quick shout out to everybody that's on this whiteboard right now. They've been really supporting on TikTok, and I want to say thank you. These are the materials that you guys are going to need to be able to do this custom. The first thing that you need is some nail polish remover with acetone in it and some cotton rounds, some Angelus flat black paint, some Angelus flat white paint, and this design can be done with a regular brush, but I decided to use an airbrush because it's just easier to use. You guys are also going to need some too thin. You mix it with the paint to make a spray out of the airbrush easier, and then finally you're going to need some Liquid Kicks sealer. The first thing you want to do is wipe down the parts that you want to paint with a nail polish remover, and then take some tape and tape off the Nike signs. Then take an X-Acto knife and kind of just carve out the Nike symbols, and then add some more tape at the bottom so that now we can start drawing the drip. And after you've drawn the drip, as you can see here, I took my X-Acto knife and I'm carving out the lines.
Working, plotting all the loans are hardest to go, and you can see me at my shows reciting the quotes. 100,000 in the rows just spitting they soul. Turn my whole life to a vacay setup. Looking hella fine in my 8K denim. Trying to spend my life in the way they never. Sipping fine wine with the angels and the devils. Turn my whole life to a vacay setup. Looking hella fine in my 8K denim. Trying to spend my life.
Now once you've repeated the process on both shoes, start to tape off the parts that you're not going to paint.
I'm underrated, but I'm building all the hype now, cause Project is the best one around now. Got them singing to me feeling like surround sound. I said it plain and simple, but they still so confused.
Now take your flat black paint, pour it into something that you can mix it in, take your too thin, and mix it in with the flat black, and mix it until it's really milky or like really close to watery.
That is time for the late day checkup. Looking hella fine in my 8K denim. I said I could be the reason that they want to start, and that inspiration that should be filling my heart. But I also get a pleasure.
Dump it into your airbrush and then spray on a very thin coat.
Turn my whole life to a vacay setup. Looking hella fine in my 8K denim. Trying to spend my life in the way they never.
Now dry it with a blow dryer or a heat gun if you have one in between each coat, and you want to apply around 3 to 4 very light coats. After you've done your black, take your stencils and then spray them on. And after you've sprayed on the stencils, you can start to untape everything. In my 8K denim, with the angels and the devils. Now, after I've untaped everything, I start to apply the paint sealer. And just like that, you're done. You have yourself a nice pair of Louis Vuitton drip Air Force Ones.